Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine if you're new here. Today I'm doing my full sew-in, wash day, and styling routine. I'm also trying out some products from Cécred today, so I'm so excited. I like to start out by detangling my hair in the shower. I'm using the Tangle Teaser brush to do so, and then I'm gonna rinse my hair out with some water. I typically like to use lukewarm water on the cooler side for my hair. It's supposed to be healthier. And then we're gonna get right into the hydrating shampoo. So this shampoo smells really nice. I love the texture, and I really like that it didn't tangle my hair. A lot of shampoos tangle my hair so badly. My hair is very fine, so it gets tangled pretty easily, but I love that this shampoo did not do that. It had a really nice consistency, and my hair literally felt like it was already detangled after using it. I am going in with their deep conditioner as well. This is a very nice product. It's pretty thick. I would say like medium thickness, and it definitely helps make my hair feel very smooth and silky after using. I am now using my scalp massager. I like using this. It helps stimulate hair growth, and it just feels nice in general. I like to close my eyes and use this in the shower. Sometimes I use it out of the shower as well. And then we're going to get into styling. I'm starting with their leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to apply a generous amount to both my leave out and my sew-in. And I really like this product. I'm a huge fan of a leave-in conditioner. It's probably my favorite hair product. I'm also going to use my heat protectant. I'm showing you guys two of the ones that I usually go for. I'm going to be using the amica one today. I love both of those heat protectors. They smell really good, and they also work really well to help protect my hair from heat damage. So I'm also gonna do rollers, and so I just apply them to my leave out because I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer. I usually do this for 45 minutes to an hour depending on like how much time I have, and I read a magazine or scroll on the internet or just do random things while I'm under there because it gets pretty boring. So this is what I like doing for my roots and also the hair in general. I feel like most of the hair gets dry once I'm done with this step. Then I'll go ahead and use my blow dry spray. It helps your blowout go a lot quicker. So I'm using the Dyson blow dryer, but I have tons of blow dryers that I do use. This one was just the one that I decided to use today. And I'm gonna start curling my hair. This hair is a body wave texture, so I like how it looks with curls. I'm just using the dry bar curling iron, and I'm also going to use their rollers. These are their Velcro rollers to help hold the curl a little longer. Velcro rollers are newer to me, so I do need some more practice with them. I do like them. I think they add a nice amount of volume. If you do not want volume, I would not recommend these because they will give you that bouncy volume. They're going to give you that Texas Hold'em volume. So I think if you're looking for that look, then definitely get them. If not, then I would stay far away. I'm also gonna flat iron the front of my hair, my leave out, just because my roots are still curly, so I like to use a flat iron to straighten them out so the texture matches better. And then I'm gonna add the Velcro rollers to them. I'm gonna use a little bit of hold-in spray to just help hold the curl. This one is newer. It's from Dry Bar. It smells so good. I did my makeup, and now we're gonna take down my hair. I wanted to show you guys like how this looks. You can kind of already see the volume that you get from using these rollers as I take down the hair. It's not like a silky drop down of a curl. You can see the texture, which is really nice. I personally really like it. Love the texture and just like the volume it gives. I'm gonna work on the sides of my hair, which are literally crying. Like, I feel bad for the sides of my hair. Or lack thereof, you guys. This is terrible, but I am just using a little flat iron to straighten out the hair in that section. Usually after this initial blowout, I will not use any heat on that section of my hair. I'll just use a edge control or some type of leave-in conditioner to smooth out that section, and I'll cover it with the rest of my hair. I don't like to add excess heat to that section of my hair because it's very, very, very thin, and I feel like the hair in that area is just way more delicate. The top of my hair does get a lot more heat, but I try not to do too much. I try my best to, you know, stay away from the heat tools once I do this initial wash day, and usually this lasts me 1 to 2 weeks depending on what I do during those 2 weeks. Here I'm just brushing out the curls, and you guys can see the volume. It looks so nice. I absolutely love it. I do think I could have done a better job with the rollers, maybe added some more in, but I love the look overall. I think it looks really nice and bouncy and flowy. I am now going to use the Cécred hair oil. This has something like 13 different oils in there, but it's still really lightweight, which I think is insane. I love a lightweight oil that does not weigh my hair down, especially my leave out. I've been using one from 𝙑𝙑𝙧𝙖 as well, which I really like. Wanted to shout that out. And then I wanted to show you guys really quickly my nighttime routine or things that I do. One thing that I like using is this curler, heatless curler, and I basically just wrap my hair around it and tie the ends. This is a failed attempt of me trying to show you how I would do it. I didn't want to mess my hair up, y'all. I was going out, okay? So yeah, that's usually what I do. Or if I'm really lazy, I'll do a really nice bun like this one. I try to keep the hair going all in the same direction, and I'll tie it up. And then for the front of my hair, to prevent it from freezing up, I will use a scarf. I'm also using a bonnet or my silk cap over my scarf if I do use it. So this is the scarf that I like to use for the front of my hair to make sure that my edges stay in place so it stays flat overnight. And that is my routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.